The importance of holding a trade. The mind of a holder. Why traders panic, exit early, and how you can finally hold your trades like a professional. If you've ever closed a trade too early. If you've ever watched price reach your take profit exactly after you exited from fear. If you've ever felt that painful moment when you whisper to yourself, "Why didn't I just hold?" Then this video is your turning point. Today, you're going to understand one of the deepest, most powerful concepts in trading psychology. The art, the discipline, and the emotional mastery of holding a trade. Not entering, not analyzing, not predicting, but holding, the single skill that most traders never develop, and the single skill that separates the consistent trader from everyone else. By the end of this video, you will understand why your mind panics, why you sabotage your winners, and exactly how to train yourself to hold trades with confidence and calmness. Let's begin. Why holding a trade feels so difficult. Most traders believe trading is difficult because they assume the challenge is finding a good entry. But the truth is simple. Entries are easy. Holding is the real battle. When you enter a trade, you feel confident for a moment. You feel smart. You feel in control. Your analysis is fresh and logical in your mind. But then the chart moves. A candle wiggles against you. A wick touches your entry. A pullback tests your patience. Suddenly, you start doubting. Did I enter too early? What if the market reverses? What if I lose this profit? What if this becomes a loss? What if? Your mind becomes a battlefield of uncertainty. And that's when fear takes over. Fear tells you, close now, take the small profit. Exit before it reverses. You can always re-enter later. Don't let a winning trade become a loser. Fear always sounds logical. But fear is the strongest enemy of a trader. Every time fear wins, your confidence weakens. Your discipline weakens. Your ability to trust your plan disappears. And that is how traders get stuck in the cycle of early exits. The biological reason you close trades early. This part is extremely important. Your brain is not designed for trading. Your brain is designed for survival. In nature, uncertainty means danger. A strange sound, a sudden movement, an unknown situation, your ancestors survived by reacting fast. So when price pulls back, even a little, your brain triggers the same survival response. Your heartbeat rises. Your palms sweat. Your breathing changes. Your stomach feels tight. Your brain is literally telling your body, danger, danger, danger. But the market is not chasing you. Your life is not in danger. Only your emotions are. Your brain does not understand money. It only understands loss, and it treats financial loss like physical danger. That's why holding a trade feels uncomfortable. Your biology is fighting you. But the professional trader isn't special. They just learned how to overcome this biological trap. You can too. Why amateurs close early and professionals hold. Amateurs exit when emotions rise. Professionals exit when the plan says so. It's not about intelligence. It's not about experience. It's about mindset. Amateurs want to feel good now. Professionals want to grow over time. Amateurs focus on the small picture. One trade, one win, one candle. Professionals focus on the long picture. 100 trades, long-term edge, consistency. Amateurs think exiting early will protect them. Professionals know exiting early destroys their R destroys their edge, and destroys their confidence. Professionals understand a powerful truth. Your money is made by holding your winners, not by taking fast profits. The psychology of letting winners run. To hold a trade, you must retrain your mind. You must teach your brain that pullbacks are normal, that small fluctuations mean nothing, that patience pays, that the plan is stronger than fear, that your analysis is valid until your stop is hit. Every professional trader knows this. The market will always test your patience before it rewards you. Price will pull back, fake out, hesitate, breathe, consolidate, move against you temporarily. This is not a sign to exit. This is a sign to stay calm. Holding a trade doesn't mean no emotions. It means learning to stand strong even when your emotions scream. Why you should trust your stop loss. Your stop loss is your bodyguard. It protects you from disaster. But most traders treat their stop loss like an enemy. They move it, adjust it, tighten it, or remove it because they are scared. But a stop loss is not a punishment. It's a boundary. When you place a stop loss based on structure, you are telling the market, if price goes here, my analysis is wrong. As long as your stop loss is not hit, your analysis is still valid. This means pullbacks are normal. Range movements are normal. Red candles are normal. Temporary losses are normal. Uncertainty is normal. But traders forget this. They think floating loss means everything is wrong. No. Floating loss is part of the game. You must normalize it. Accept it. Expect it. Your job is not to avoid discomfort. Your job is to manage it. Why holding a trade is the real skill of a trader. Anyone can click buy. Anyone can click sell. But holding requires discipline, emotional mastery, trust, patience, courage, confidence, experience. Trading rewards bravery, not fear. But this bravery is not reckless risk-taking. It's disciplined courage, the courage to stick to your plan. The pain of exiting early. One of the most painful moments in trading is watching a trade hit your take profit after you closed early. You know the feeling. You close with $20 profit. Price then moves and gives $200. You stare at the chart in silence. You don't feel happy about your $20. You feel angry. You feel defeated. You feel like you betrayed yourself. That pain is real. And it teaches you a powerful lesson. Exiting early hurts more than taking a stop loss. Because a stop loss means the market proved you wrong. But an early exit means you stopped yourself from winning. And that pain is what destroys traders more than anything else. Why holding a trade builds confidence. Every time you hold a trade and follow your plan, something magical happens. Your confidence grows. You start trusting your strategy. You start believing in your analysis. You start understanding market behavior. You stop reacting emotionally to every candle. When you hold your trades, your mindset shifts from, I hope this wins, to, I know my edge, I know my plan, I will execute. And once you reach this level of trust, your growth becomes exponential. How to train yourself to hold trades. Here are powerful mental shifts. 1. Expect pullbacks. Don't be shocked by them. Plan for them. 2. Measure success in series, not single trades. One trade means nothing. Your next 100 trades define you. 3. Respect your stop loss. As long as SL isn't hit, stay calm. 4. Always have a clear take profit level. If you don't know your exit, your fear will choose it for you. 5. Remind yourself. Fear lies, logic guides. The more you practice this, the stronger your emotional discipline becomes. The power of letting winners run. This is where the real money lies. Small profits do not change your account. Big high R winners do. Holding your winning trades is the only path to compounding, exponential growth, confidence, consistency, emotional control. The market rewards the trader who can sit still while money works for them. Real-life example to strengthen understanding. Imagine this. You enter a trade with 1-3 RR. Your stop loss is safe. Your take profit is realistic. The market moves in your direction. You are up 30% to TP. You are up 40% to TP. Then a small pullback happens. You panic, you close early. You take a small gain. Minutes later, price hits your full take profit. That moment teaches a painful truth. Your fear is more expensive than your losses. Your fear costs you more than stop losses. Now imagine the opposite. You enter the same trade. The same pullback happens. The same emotional discomfort appears. But this time you stay calm. You trust your stop loss. You trust your analysis. You breathe. You wait. Price slowly moves. Then accelerates. Then finally hits your full take profit. That feeling is victory. Not over the market, but over yourself. That moment builds a trader. That moment builds confidence. That moment builds discipline. And over time, these moments compound. Conclusion. Holding a trade is not just a skill. It's a mindset. It's emotional strength. It's discipline under pressure. It's trusting your plan more than your fear. Your job is not to predict every candle. Your job is to execute your plan with courage and consistency. If you can master the art of holding a trade, you can master trading itself. Because the market rewards patience. The market rewards discipline. The market rewards emotional control. And now you have the blueprint. You're capable of holding. You're capable of overcoming fear. You're capable of trading with confidence. And this is your moment to grow.